In this video, I'm going to show you how to create motion graphics like Iman Gadzhi using AI. It's fast, simple, and beginner friendly. So if you're trying to level up your content with high impact visuals like Iman's, you're in the right place. And today, the tool we're using is MotionVid AI, an AI platform that generates professional motion graphics from just a prompt. MotionVid is perfect for creators, editors, or anyone who wants scroll stopping animations without spending hours in After Effects. It lets you create high quality visuals, videos, and motion design just by describing what you want. And yes, the results are surprisingly close to what you'd see in a high budget Iman Gadzhi video. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you're on MotionVid AI, you'll see the main menu at the top of the screen. There are different sections here that you'll be using as we go along, like features. So features gives you an overview of what MotionVid can do. Things like prompt to video generation, template libraries, and AI-powered motion design. It also explains the tech behind it and shows examples of what you can create. So next is pricing. So pricing will show you the available subscription plans and what you get with each one. We'll dive into that more later. So blog contains tutorials, guides, and creator case studies that help you get more out of the tool. Templates is where the magic really happens, and this is where you can find pre-built motion graphics ready to customize or remix. And My Projects is your personal library. Everything you generate here will be saved, so you can come back and tweak or export anytime. Now, since we're recreating a motion graphic style like Iman Gadzhi, the first thing that we want to do is head over to Google. Type in something like Iman Gadzhi motion graphics or how to animate like Iman Gadzhi. You're looking for a YouTube thumbnail, social clip, or any visual that gives off that bold cinematic vibe he's known for. And once you find something that you like, for me, I'll pick this one. So save the image or copy it. Then go over to ChatGPT or any prompt builder you're using to paste that image or describe what you see in detail. So we're going to extract the color palette, visual tone, and overall style from that graphic and turn it into a usable prompt. If you're not satisfied with the prompt, you can do it again, search again until you're satisfied. And once you have that prompt, head over back to motionvid.ai. And now in the motion graphics dashboard, you'll see a search bar. So paste the prompt directly there. And if you want to go deeper, feel free to expand it. So the more specific, the better. Alternatively, you can also go to templates and pick a pre-made layout that feels close to Iman's style. So scroll through, choose one and click duplicate. And once it's duplicated, you'll have the editor open. So type in, please generate a different design style. Then paste the prompt that you just made and click generate. Now just wait a few seconds while the AI works. It'll build a unique motion graphic based on that exact aesthetic that you described. Also, keep in mind, only paid users can generate and export videos, so if you're using the free version, you'll need to upgrade to unlock this feature. Now let's take a quick look at the pricing options. So click the profile icon at the top right, then click upgrade, and then you see three main plans here. The basic plan is $29 per month and is ideal for individuals or small projects. You get 100 generations per month, 50 video export, 1080p resolution, Discord support, and access to all templates. Next is the Pro plan, which is $59 per month, and it is the most popular. It's perfect for creators or teams who want more flexibility. You get 300 generations per month, 150 video exports, and up to 4K resolutions. It also has priority support and full access to templates. And finally, there's the enterprise plan. It starts at $199 per month, built for studios and large scale creators. This plan gives you unlimited generations and exports up to 8K resolution, priority support, premium editing capabilities, and custom API integration for more advanced workflow. If you're serious about creating content at the Iman Gadzhi level, Pro or Enterprise is the way to go. Once you've generated your video, you can save it to your projects or export it directly in the resolutions that you need. If you want to try MotionVid AI for yourself, just click the link in the description below. It's my referral link and it helps support the channel. But more importantly, it gives you access to everything you saw in this tutorial. And that's it. That's how you create motion graphics like Iman Gadzhi using AI. It's fast, detailed, and entirely on brand without any editing headaches. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI powered tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.